Can you believe they put those crosswalk signs right in the middle of the street? That's dangerous. Somebody could hit those. Just kidding. You know how you can tell that I'm just kidding? We'll rewind it back a few seconds before that. So you'll see me point like that. That usually means there's something that I want you to see, or I'm going to try something like this. So you can tell I was in control the whole time, because I point, and then you'll see me look back and check to make sure there are no cars behind me. So that way if I do fall, I'm less likely to get ran over. It could still happen, but... And then the last thing is I even put the blinker on with perfect timing. You know, just a little quick blinker. And those are pretty big heavy duty signs too. They have a good rubber base on them because it's right near the ocean, and if they weren't heavy they would just blow away. So if the handguard hit it, or even the Pelican case, it would definitely take me down. So the goal is to stay in the right lane as long as possible, and then dive to the left lane as close to the sign as you can. So it's a little bit different than if I were to just be in one lane and drive as close to the sign as possible. That's a different game we can play too. But this one is stay in the right lane until the last second and then dive left. And I'll show you these R32 clips. It doesn't always work out. Sometimes you hit a couple cones. So 100% in control of that the whole time, and I think it worked out pretty good. I was pretty close. I was close enough that at the last second I pushed the bike over and down to the left and then pull it back up underneath me. So worst case scenario, I would have just let go of the bike and it would have fell on the left side and I would have tumbled over it and scratched my new helmet and stuff, but